Hey there, welcome to my channel, Mobile Clinician. Are you tired of using unhealthy cooking oils that harm your body and deteriorate your heart health? Well, you are in luck because today we are counting down on the top 4 healthy cooking oils that will transform your cooking and your health. Let's dive in. Here are the 4 top cooking oils that you can incorporate into your cooking which can guarantee your cardiovascular health and general well-being, with the reasons why they stand out from among other cooking oils. Coming at number 1 is olive oil. Olive oil is best known for its high concentration of antioxidant, which protects against cell damage and inflammation. It helps reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It supports healthy brain function and may reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. And number 2 on the list, we have avocado oil. It is high in vitamin E and polyphenols, similar to olive oil. It has mild buttery flavor and high smoke point, making it versatile for cooking and dressing. It may help improve heart health and reduce inflammation and support eye health. Counting down at number 3 is ghee. Ghee is lactose and casein free, making it suitable for those with dairy intolerance. It is rich in fat soluble vitamin A, D, E, and K. It has a high smoke point and nutty flavor. And lastly on the list, we have coconut oil. Its unique composition of medium chain triglycerides, which are easily absorbed and metabolized. It supports weight loss and improves digestion and immune system function. It has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for skin and hair care. These 4 oils offer a range of health benefits, culinary use, and unique characteristics that set them apart from other cooking oils. However, it's important to remember to always choose high-quality cold compressed and expeller pressed options to ensure you're getting the best nutritional benefits. Remember, always choose high-quality oils and use them in moderation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content. Bye.